Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open a Bank of America saving account using the mobile app. Let's get started. So, for that, first of all, start by launching the Bank of America mobile banking app on your phone and you'll see the main welcome screen. On the home screen, simply tap on Get Started right over here. Once you tap on Get Started, because we're opening a brand new saving account, select the option that says Get Ready to Apply for Product with Help. This is for users who are new and want to create a new bank account online. After that, before applying, the app will remind you that you will need your social security number, a physical US address, and your tax identification number. Once you're ready, tap on Continue. And just like that, fill out your personal information, your first name, your middle name, your last name, and also enter your date of birth. Once done, tap on Continue and then enter your address. You can enter the state, zip code, and the city as well as the full home address. But make sure all details are accurate and match your legal document. After that, tap on Continue again. And just like that, on the next page, you'll be asked to provide additional legal information. Carefully review and enter everything exactly as it appears on your legal document. Then tap on Done. Just like that, tap on Continue. You may also be shown suggested address. Select the correct one or keep the one you entered. After that, finally enter your SSN number or ITIN number. Re-enter the number to confirm and then tap on Continue again. The app will now process your application. And that's it. You have successfully applied for Bank of America saving account directly to the phone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.